Hello everyone, so this is a quick unboxing and review of the Zippo double torch insert. This is a flame insert, throws a nice beautiful flame, and this is the actual lighter that I bought a couple of days ago. And you know, I was quite a dummy and I didn't know that Zippo lighters have a traditional mechanism inside of them, and you know, the fuel kind of evaporates away after a few days, so you cannot use it for a long time. So I was planning of returning the lighter back, but then I thought of using it as a collectible, and then I came across this double torch insert because I'm not a smoker and I don't use lighters, but I need a lighter when I need it, which is probably twice a month, or I just like using it for the thrill, I have a habit of just opening and watching a flame. So for that, this double torch insert would be a good idea, I thought. And let's see. So this is the package in which it comes. It's and this is the package in which the lighter came. So as you can see, the packaging for the lighter and for the insert is the same. So this is the insert. As you can see here, over here we have some information. Double torch, yeah, right. Adjustable flame height, first fits all regular Zippo lighter cases, refillable with butane fuel, empty. Obviously it is empty because they cannot send it filled. So you can see here, so you can see here, ignite, warning, keep out of reach of children. Zippo manufacturing company, Bradford, PA, USA. It looks brand new, really nice, has a good clicking sound to it. Let's see if we have something else. No, so this is all we get. So today here I have this through which I'll be going to be filling today's our lighter. Hey, what's up guys? So here we have both the standard insert and the butane lighter insert. You can see there are some differences in the finishing. This one on the right looks a bit more like scratched and all. This one is quite new. This also I have not used a lot. Anyways, the size also is different. This one is a bit tall. It has been around 2-3 minutes since I filled it. I saw online that you are supposed to leave it for 2-3 minutes after filling the butane. So I pulled it down. It's just like a regular Zippo, It's just like a regular Zippo. Works quite well. Now let's see if this works or not. Yes. So as you can see, it works quite well. This was my first time lighting it, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time it works, there's no issue. Seems quite genuine, It's really nice. It's really well made. So this was my small review of the Zippo butane lighter insert. Works really well, and for people like me who are just kind of sort of lighter enthusiasts who like collecting lighters, and I don't smoke, but I just like to light my lighter once a while, just like that, just play with it. I don't use it every day. So for people like us, this one, the traditional one, is kind of a waste of money and time. You keep this in the cabinet for 10 days, and you take it out after 10-15 days and the fuel has evaporated. There's no point in this. This one, the butane lighter, is the perfect way, I think. It lasts more. I guess it is more stylish, and the flame is really cool. So it works for people like me. Thank you very much.